Music. Capital One versus Silicon Valley Bank, which one's right for you? We'll compare these two, helping you find the perfect fit. Check the description for links to both banks. Let's dive into their key features, strengths, and weaknesses. First up, Capital One. This digital-first bank is perfect for online money management. They offer competitive savings rates and excellent credit cards, especially for cashback and travel. Their top-rated app makes accessing accounts, paying bills, and managing cards easy. Capital One's fees are low, with a solid range of checking, savings, and loan products. One drawback? Fewer physical branches, which might not suit everyone. Now for Silicon Valley Bank, specializing in financial services for startups, tech companies, and high-net-worth individuals. They offer tailored business banking products like venture debt, growth capital, and specialized lending. Their tech industry expertise and startup connections are unmatched. However, their personal banking options are limited. If you're outside tech or don't need business services, it might not be the best fit. So, Capital One is great for modern, low-fee, digital banking with excellent consumer options. Silicon Valley Bank is perfect for tech-focused entrepreneurs and startups needing specialized services. Learn more using the links below and choose the bank that meets your needs.